OOPS or Object-Oriented Programming Language, as the name suggests, uses objects in coding. Any language that uses OOPS concepts are called Object-Oriented Programming Language. C, C++, Java, Python, .NET are common object-oriented programming language. The main OOPS concepts are abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance and interface. Let us see them in detail. First is abstraction. Abstraction is mainly for data protection. If you want to hide the internal implementation logic of your method or code, then you use abstraction. To restick the properties, variables, objects, and method of your class, you can use abstraction. The keyword used is abstract. Let's discuss abstraction in detail. I'm creating a class in Java with the name AbstractDemo. Access modifier is public, so the class can be accessed anywhere in the project. I am making this class as abstract. You can see, it is similar to class, but of type abstract. There is a main method and we can run this class. Let's define a variable and method in this abstract class. Let's declare a public integer variable, x, and assign value as 100. Let's define a public method add. This method will print an output addition. Now, we will create an object to access the variable. Let's create an abstract object A1, allocate the memory space for it using default constructor. You can see there is an error, cannot instantiate the type AbstractDemo. Why? Because it is the type abstract. So we cannot call the variable using the object. And this is how abstraction gives data protection. We already know we cannot access objects, variables, and methods that are inside an abstract class directly. But how to access them? We can access them by using child classes. But how do we establish a parent-child relationship between classes? That's when the next OOPS concept, inheritance, comes into picture. Let me create a child abstract class, in a different package. We use the keyword extends and give the parent abstract class name to the child class. We have to import, since parent and child classes are in different package. This is similar to normal inheritance, like how parents' properties are inherited by their child. Child classes can have their own variables and methods as well. To access, child should have its own object. When you try to access the object, you can see parent class variables and methods are available. Let's try to print the variables from both parent class and child class. Let's call the method as well. Upon executing the child class, objects will be created. As you can see, the values are be fetched from parent class and results are displayed. This way abstract class information can be accessed. Thank you.